Hi students, for the third and final strum demonstration, I wanted to look at the calypso or island strum. And that was the J in the American song, Come a Little Bit Closer. And if you notice on the actual published sheet, they have down, down, up, up, down, up. And I suggested it would be better to eliminate that last up. So it would be down, down, up, up, down. And then the next measure would be down, down, up, up, down, down, down. Let me demonstrate it. And I'll make that a close-up. So it was down, down, up, up, down, 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 up, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down. Now the island strum, the calypso strum, is down, down, up, down, 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 up, down. Slowly. Down, down, up, down, 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 up, down. So it's two downs, and then two ups, and then a down, and then it repeats. Two downs, two ups, a down, and then two downs, two ups, and a down. And you have to physically remind yourself, down, down, up, and there's a slight break right there, slight pause. Down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 down. Very slowly and carefully. Down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, down. And I'm really digging in with my pick. I'm really digging in. Just hitting all the strings on that upstroke. And as I said this morning, my arm is like just jutted into the body, the butt end of the ukulele's body, and it's all my wrist. It's just not a G, sorry, but let's look at the piece one more time, and let me go back to share. So, at a 1, 2, a 1, 2, 3, in a little cafe, just the other side of the border, she was sitting there, giving looks that made my mouth water. I started walking her way. She belonged to the bad man Jose, and I knew, yes I knew I should leave, but I heard her say, hey, come a little bit closer. On that part of the song, it's just straight strums. Etc. I do suggest that you practice this strum very slowly and carefully. I would use a pick, although you can use your hand. So without a pick, going up, making a human pick with my fingers, I tend to skin this part of my thumb. And someone else did suggest if I had a remedy for that. No, I don't. maybe a bandage, you know, before. Slowly. Okay, we will keep working on this, and I'll see you all later.